Umkhankaso we-Operation Shanela obuqhutshwa ngamaphoyisa esifundazweni uholele ekuboshweni kwezephulamthetho ngamacala ahlukene.
We managed to arrest with the detectives 488 suspects, of which we managed to arrest 488. And we are, of course, also looking on the other operational area. We have thus far arrested 37 for this roadblock, and the other roadblock in the east, the 37 illegal immigrants.
Kuvalwe nezindawo ezithengisa utshwala ezitholakala ukuthi zidayisa nezidakamizwa.
We managed to close 5 liquor outlets. 4 drugs we managed to arrest.
Mthombeni uphinde wadalula ukuthi bakhona ababotshelwe amacala okukhokhisa abantu imali.
Recently we have arrested 4 people, of which other people they were from the flats. Other people is people who were collecting from the communities in terms of electricity. Those people were arrested, they went to court and they were granted bail. So we are hard at work in terms of looking on these issues of extortion within the community.
Lo mkhankaso uzoqhubeka kuzo zonke izingxenye zesifundazwe eGauteng.